EQ Bank, how much money can you stash away? Ever dream of having a virtual piggy bank overflowing with cash? Well, with the rise of online banks, that dream might be closer than you think. But before you go crazy stockpiling your savings, there's one crucial question: how much moolah can you actually hold in an online bank account? Today, we're diving deep into EQ Bank, a popular Canadian online bank, to uncover their stash limits. But before we get down to brass tacks, let's take a quick detour and understand why knowing these limits matters. Fast cuts of people saving money, online banking scenes. Think about it. You wouldn't shove all your valuables in a flimsy cardboard box, right? Online banks, despite their convenience, operate differently from traditional brick-and-mortar institutions. Understanding their limitations, especially when it comes to maximum deposit amounts, ensures your hard-earned cash is properly protected. Alright, enough with the suspense. Let's talk about EQ Bank. Here's the breakdown. The big kahuna, the $200,000 limit. For most folks opening a personal EQ Bank account, the magic number is $200,000. That's the maximum total balance you can hold across your Savings Plus account and any guaranteed investment certificates, GICs, you might have with them. $200,000 maximum balance. Hold up, there's more. The joint account advantage. Now, here's where things get interesting. If you're one half of a power couple or have a financially responsible bestie, consider opening a joint EQ Bank account. With a joint account, the maximum balance limit jumps to a whopping $500,000. That's a significant increase, perfect for those saving for a hefty down payment or a luxurious vacation around the world. $500,000 joint account maximum balance. Important caveats: new accounts and foreign currencies. There are a couple of exceptions to keep in mind. If you opened your EQ Bank account after February 21st, 2016, the standard $200,000 limit applies. However, if you were an early adopter and signed up before that date, your account might have a different maximum balance, so double-check with EQ Bank to be sure. Another heads up, these limits apply to Canadian dollars, CAD. If you're a fan of keeping your savings diversified and have money in other currencies like USD, there might be lower maximum deposit amounts. It's always best to check EQ Bank's website or contact their customer service for the latest info. Check for exceptions and foreign currency limits. Beyond the limits, safety first. So, you figured out your EQ Bank stash limit. But remember, the amount you choose to deposit ultimately depends on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Don't max out your account just because you can. Here's the golden rule. Golden rule: deposit based on your needs. If your main goal is easy access to your cash and maximizing interest earned, sticking to the lower end of the limit might be wise. That way, you can keep your funds readily available for emergencies or unexpected expenses. Now, if you're saving for a long-term goal like retirement and are comfortable with locking your money away for a set period, GICs might be a good option. However, remember that GICs come with fixed interest rates and early withdrawal penalties, so choose wisely. Easy access savings versus long-term GICs. EQ Bank offers a convenient and secure way to save your hard-earned cash. Knowing their maximum deposit limits empowers you to make informed decisions about how much to stash away. Remember, it's not about how much you can hold, but how much works best for your financial journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.